With the onset of winter season, joint pain becomes a common issue and it is commonly experienced by the elderly. The pain in your joints may affect your ability to perform day to day activities efficiently. During the winter season, when the temperature is low, आपकी muscles में spasm develop हो जाएगा. The joints they also face contraction and they tightens up in the winter. The another reason of joint pain in winter is lack of vitamin D or deficiency of vitamin D, because in winters you are not getting that much sunlight. So अगर आपको sunlight एक adequate amount में नहीं मिल पा रही, that will hamper the absorption and the availability of vitamin D in your body. The cold may directly affect your joints by reducing the blood flow into the surrounding tissue near the joint. And also there is a fall in the barometric pressure that leads to swelling of the cartilage, tightening of the ligaments and the muscles. So how can you manage the pain at your home? Anything that provide warmth. It will dilate your blood vessels and it will ease the pain. Taking a hot shower and using a hot pad also, it is also beneficial. And exercising, it will automatically generate heat in your body and helps in the reduction of pain. Proper clothing is very important. The second point is that आप अपने environment का temperature जो है वो warm रखें by using a heater and other modalities, and a regular physical activity. Even if you are at home, then also you have to perform the physical activity at least for 30 to 40 minutes daily, so that it can strengthen your joint, it can strengthen your muscles and there will be reduction in the pain. इसके अलावा the utmost important thing, that is the nutrition. You have to take a balanced diet which contains optimum level of vitamin D, vitamin C, calcium and the adequate level of protein, so that it will be good for your muscles and the joints. And very importantly that in winters what happen कि body में dehydration होने के chances बहुत बढ़ जाते हैं, because in winters we are not consuming adequate amount of water that our body needs. So take care of adequate hydration also. So one should choose medical help immediately if there is a progressive redness in that particular joint area. अगर आपका pain progressively बढ़ता जा रहा है, if there is a visible swelling in that area, redness है उस joint area में, and also if you are suffering from fever due to that pain, there is a loss of movement, you are not able to perform your ADL, that is the activities of daily living, so then you have to seek the medical help immediately.
This content, including advice, provides generic information only. It is in no way a substitute for qualified medical opinion. Always consult a specialist or your own doctor for more information.